Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today we're back with another bee edition. It's been about 3 or 4 days since I put the queens in, and we got our packages and stuff, and our two lovely hives here. And today we're going to go in there. There should be a couple frames that I left out, I believe, in each one, and so we're going to pull those empty frames and pull the little bee box and make sure the queen's, escaped. Make sure that she's in there. Maybe if we might see a sign of laying. I don't know. It's only been 3 or 4 days, but we're gonna check that out and see what happens. Get y'all a little bit closer for a better view. I got a tripod today instead of a camera person, so maybe we'll be able to keep you a little closer, seeing that the phone doesn't need a bee suit. All right, that might be a pretty good angle. I am seeing some activity around the front, not a ton. There's some, and I don't know if you can see it on there, but out here, because I put this down, there's a bunch of dead bees on it. Those dead bees are there, from as far as I know, those are there because of them cleaning out the hive from where they died in shipping. You can see they're still eating I guess the sugar syrup that's in there. So we're gonna definitely let them keep doing that. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you mad, guy. Might have made that guy a little mad. But yeah, we got decent activity in front of both, coming and going. So let's crack this thing open and see what happens. So we're gonna get our hive tool. I like this one. Seems to be pretty useful so far, And then this little brush. Not completely necessary, but does help a little bit. And today we brought our smoker. So maybe that way they'll stay a little calmer in case I make a mistake. All right, let's see if I can put this somewhere. Go ahead and give them a little. Give them a little bit, maybe calm them down. Then give them a little. I know what's coming. Alright. Pull the top off. See what we got. Got a bunch of bees. Got some few dead ones here. They're eating on the food up here. So that's good. This off. Oh wow. Quite a bit of activity already. Now this already had some comb in it. I don't know, I think they were getting more worked up with the smoke. They do not sound happy already. I think I was squeezing it too hard. Not getting enough smoke out, just blowing hot air. Alright, let's see what happens, I guess. Gotta get it done. Oh, we got a bee string. Yeah, they're all over the place. We already got some bad comb going. Can't remember what they called that, but they got a name for it. Let's see what we got here. They are working. Yeah, they're working on cleaning that up and getting more built. Very nice. Get down there for a second. See how this queen box looks. So it was originally up here, So that came undone. So the box fell. That's not good. But the queen is out. So that's good. I'm gonna take the box, get it out of there. And now we want to we'd like to see the queen in here. So I'm gonna look around for a bit. There's somebody big. Who was that? No, I think it was a drone or something. Alright, so I'm not seeing her here. We got a lot of bees on the back wall also. This thing's covered. I'm guessing she's on here somewhere. I'm not seeing her still. Pretty sure she's got a white mark on her. Little piece of, I think they call it bird comb or whatever, where it's not where it's supposed to be. I'm just going to make sure she's not on here, and we're going to take and get rid of this before it gets out of hand. The bad news is I never found the queen. Good news is they're very active and doing a lot of activity in here. Alright, let me get these where they look, the spacing looks good. We're going to close this one up. Became what we needed to do. All right, so they didn't look too bad. Got the queen cage out, all that good stuff. Move on to our next one. I'm gonna change your view up. This one I'm gonna let you look inside the box more. I can get it angled right. Guess I should have probably sprayed them a little bit. All right, there's your good view. All right, let's get to working it because they seem not happy again. Queen excluder off. All right, our queen cage should be still hanging right here. I don't see any of that strange comb on this one. They are still not going to be happy about this, but whew, look at all those. See, they got some comb going already. Tell you what, they're off and working hard. The queen does appear to be out. Pull that. Oh, wait, there she is, look. Hopefully you can see her right here. The big white mark on her back. There's our queen. So, we're good with that. We're gonna put her back in there, make sure she doesn't get away. Just wanna check out this other frame, see how much they've gotten done. In just a couple of days. Yeah, almost half the cone drawn out on there. See all that space there where they've drawn it out? Looks pretty good. Nice. Now I do want to check, I think it's that one. Yeah, this one here. Okay, so they haven't quite got to this one. This one we have an inspection window on down here on this hive. So we'll be able to see this outside frame and know when they get to the outside of this. But I'm gonna give it probably another week and then I'll add my next brooder box on here. But yeah, they look good. Everybody calm down a little bit. Well, I think that went pretty well. I don't know about you. No stings, so it's always a good day. Got our 2 queen cages out. They got everything they need. They got the, I'm gonna let them drink the rest of this syrup. You saw they got like a little patty on top. That's just, give them a little boost. First year. My thoughts are, and let me know if you're an experienced beekeeper and you actually make it this far. My thoughts are, do everything I can to make sure these guys make it through this first year. You know, I don't really plan on harvesting honey because you're not supposed to the first year from everything I've been told. But I would like to make sure they get through there, or get through the year in the winter easily. And I think by feeding and giving them things, it's going to make that a little bit easier. So I'm not going to feed them heavily, but I'm going to make sure they got a little bit of food. You know, maybe, I don't know, pint. Yeah, maybe like a pint of sugar water a week or something. Let me know what y'all think. I think you're only supposed to leave it out a couple days and then take it away. Anyway, they're living, they're alive. Let's see if it keeps up. We'll see you at the next inspection here in about 2 weeks when I put the second brood box on. And at that time, if the bottom one looks healthy, I'll probably go ahead and throw the honey super on, which is like a medium, just so it's on, and then I don't have to like disturb their work area, I guess, really. You know, I can do my inspections and then close it back up and it'll be the same as it was when I left it. So, oh, another thing, which I might have to ask on the bee boards or something. When I take those frames out and I look at the other side and then I put it back in and I've kind of like turned where it was within the hive, how much does that mess with them? Like, is that something I need to make sure I take them out and put them back in the same order and the same position or whatever? Because if that's the case, then I'll number, you know, 1 through 5 on the top of each one or something, so that way help me keep track of it. But anyways, let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we'll get some cool video off this thing we can edit in. Have a good one.